Hey, it's Mike, and I want to talk about three great stocks that are on sale. As you know, the market just really had a bad week last week. And, that's bad if you're long stocks or if you were playing options, you lost money. I lost money last week. But here's the good news there's a lot of great stocks on sale. So there's an opportunity to get that money back. So let's take a look at three excellent stocks that are deeply discounted for no other reason that they just went down with the rest of the market. So the first stock I'm going to look at is probably one of the best stocks that you can buy for the long term, which is Apple. Apple was down on Friday 5%. It's had a short-term peak at 124, so it's down to 118. That's almost 15% discount. You go a little further, and it's had its 52-week high at 134. Apple, of course, they did have they did have they didn't have blowout earnings, but they did beat expectations for the third quarter. Their iPhone 12 sales weren't as high as maybe some people have thought, but this is still a company that knows how to print a lot of money. The PE ratio is respectable in this high PE market environment. They pay a little bit of a dividend, but this is a top quality blue chip company that's just going to continue to grow. It's going to be a lot higher from where it is right now in 12 months. It probably may even be significantly higher at the end of the year with the Santa Claus rally. So definitely take a look at Apple. This is one stock I am definitely going to be buying into. And then the other, another stock right here that's just an obvious is Amazon is a no-brainer. I mean, they're the global leader in e-commerce. They were down 5.5%. In the past month, they had a short-term high of 34.42. So there's a 10% discount. You go a little higher, it was a little higher at 3,500. But of course, Amazon is going to dominate e-commerce during the fourth quarter with the Santa Claus rally and holiday shopping, especially if we do have a shutdown. People are not going to go to stores to buy items. So what they could do, they're still going to do Christmas shopping. They could buy stuff on Amazon and probably ship it to their friends and families for holiday gifts. And obviously, Amazon is going to be the winner. And the fact that you got this stock got 5% haircut on Friday. This is just an opportunity to get a pretty fast return. And then finally, the last stock I want to look at is Shopify. You probably already know Shopify is a platform where anybody, you and I, could start a store and start selling items. Shopify has been one of the best performing stocks, really, of the past couple of years. 1 year ago it was at 307, so it's tripled. However, in the short term, it's gone down, pretty much a little over 5%. If you look in the past month, stock has been a little wobbly, but because there's not a lot of selling that goes on really during the summer, it's really during the winter when people open up their e-commerce shop and begin to sell. And because of that, because Shopify has been trading sideways during the summer, I think it's off a lot of people's radars, and a lot of newer investors will be caught off guard by how well Shopify can perform on the fourth quarter. Remember, we've had a lot of people come in as investors since March, and so they're not used to fourth quarter performance. They don't realize these tech stocks really race upward in November, December, and I think Shopify is going to be one of the leaders. So just to sum up the three great stocks that are on sale right now: Apple, Amazon, and Shopify. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, and you can go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple updates each day on hot stocks, everything from penny stocks to tech stocks to EV stocks. I also talk about options and option strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.